This motorhome is the Strada Avanti F, and something like this will cost you 106,000 euros. That's okay, it's got a base price of 76,500, but nobody pays the base price, and you get all of this extra kit with it. And the biggest single price increase is for the 180 horsepower engine. This is a 636 centimeter long Fiat Ducato. And so, looking at it from here, you can see, first of all, a lot of space around the table. This forward-facing bench does seem to have been placed further back than it need necessarily be. Kitchen here, coming down to there's the shower, and here we have the beds. Storage around the beds, including one with a sliding door. And why is the storage done like this? Don't know. Maybe that's part of the style. Also, this part of the style here, not certain what that's meant to be, but that's the way they've done it. We've got a window in one side, so presumably your head's supposed to be at the other side if you want to sit up in bed. In my opinion, there's a fair bit of space there actually to do it. And the reason there's so much head height in this vehicle is because the manufacturer has put an extra extended roof onto it. Obviously, you possibly wouldn't want to keep the carpet in the shower. It's only here because of the show. So shower itself is pretty large. There's me in the window, the mirror I should say, and look how much space, oops, there I've got. So storage here as well, sort of stuff you'd keep in a bathroom, because you can also see what's in there. On the other side, as you come out the shower, you've got, here is a could be used as a wardrobe, because you've got a hanger space up there. You can remove the shelves as well, should you want to, or could just use it for storing flat things. Drawer and fridge is here as well. Storage under the fridge. What do you think of the colour? Brown, does it work or not? Put your comments below. Here we've got a filing cabinet, which incidentally is a pretty good shape to have for storing things in a motorhome. Note they've put proper sides onto the walls in there. That's why doesn't it go up any higher? It's because here we've got the bed, and the bed is on these struts over there, which will drop onto the filing cabinet here. How high is the bed? Let's have a look. I'm standing under it right now, and there's me. So you can see I'm 175 centimeters tall. I'm standing up to attention right now, and I've still got a little bit of space above my head. So here we have a forward-facing bench, largish table, and the chairs up front, 2 burners and a sink, storage below the once more proper drawer. There we've got access through there to under the bed, the garage. Let's come out now. I've got this bit here. The point of this, I think, is to keep your telephone or something like that at night. It's like a bedside table, but I like things to have covers on them, or some nets or something like that, so things don't fall out when you move. Because at the end of the day, the object of a camper van is to move. Let's come round to the rear end. And right, one thing about this is this bed here moves up like that, so that could give you more space. Look at the amount of space there is here. On the left, that is for the gas cabinets. You can open the door here to get in and out if you want to get stuff from inside out of the garage. So, and the boiler is to the right. Up there, essential piece of kit is a reversing camera. Coming around here, you can see what it looks like from the side. So there's a quick walk around this interesting camper van. I say interesting because even though it's on a Fiat Ducato, and it's a Fiat Ducato, it might seem like a rather boring vehicle to do things with. I think La Strada is a quality brand, and they do take care of details such as the insulation in it. So it's been on the go now for a number of years. I went to the factory in September 2019 after this event, caravan salon, and so I filmed one or two things whilst I was there, but I didn't film the production line, so you can't actually see that. There is actually, the place is at, there's got very nice stellplatz as well, which I got to film. I don't know if I ever posted the film though. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'm at Caravan Salon, and all the best from me. And you can see all the vans, at least from last Strada. I've filmed their entire range. Mightn't be the most recent version, but it's one of the most recent versions that I have. Thanks for watching.